Hello, this video is about cracking of hydrocarbons, and the reason why we do this is we produce a lot of different products from crude oil when it's distilled, but they are a huge range of products with very different molecule sizes. Now we have a great deal of demand for smaller compounds like octane, hexane. Those are used in petrol. Smaller ones which are used in natural gas for heating the home, but the bigger molecules beyond sort of decane, those ones aren't so well used. Okay, so aviation fuel slightly, fuel for ships a bit, but we get a lot of stuff which is relatively useless. So if we can take those big molecules and break them into smaller ones, we get more useful products, and that's where cracking comes in. You take the long chain hydrocarbon, the alkane, and you either mix it with steam or you pass it over a hot catalyst, so you've got steam cracking or catalytic cracking, and what you end up with is a smaller alkane. So this is decane turning into octane, but the byproduct, well, you can work that out by subtracting. So 10 carbons turns into 8 carbons, so you're left with 2 carbons. 22 hydrogens turns into 18 hydrogens, so you're left with 4 hydrogens. So what are we left with? This is not an alkane, it's an alkene. This is ethene. As a byproduct, this is a really useful one because you can take these alkenes like ethene and then you can polymerize them and turn them into plastics and loads of other useful materials. So that's cracking. It's useful to create the fuels we need from the less useful fuels we don't need so much of, and it produces really useful alkene byproducts. Thanks very much for watching.